this review, we will be discussing in details about the best bridge camera available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best bridge camera, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us. Your satisfaction gives us the motivation for uploading more awesome videos.
iReviewBuzz presents Top 5 Best Bridge Camera. Let's get started. Number 1. Sony CyberShot RX10 IV. For those looking for a powerful all-in-one solution, you won't find it better than the RX10 IV. Featuring a hugely flexible 24-600mm f/2.4-4 zoom lens, the RX10 IV builds on the RX10 III with an overhauled AF system that now does justice to the rest of the camera, while the 1-inch 20.1 megapixel sensor is capable of achieving excellent levels of detail. It's quite bulky for a bridge camera, and there's no getting away from the hefty price. But the RX10 IV is virtually in a league of its own and is perhaps even deserving of a better name than bridge.
Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates.
Number 2. Panasonic Lumix FZ2000 by FZ2500. If your budget doesn't quite stretch to RX10 IV levels, but you still want something top quality, flexible, and with great image quality, the Panasonic Lumix FZ2000, known as the FZ2500 in the US, is an excellent choice. It uses a 1-inch sensor, and while the zoom tops out at 480mm equivalent, which is relatively short for a bridge camera, that's still plenty for all but the most extreme everyday use. We'd certainly sacrifice a little zoom range for better and faster optics. And we love the FZ2000 because it delivers both image quality and zoom range. If you're looking for something a bit cheaper, the older FZ1000 below is also worth a look, as its successor, the FZ1000 II. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix FZ1000. The Lumix FZ1000 16x optical zoom is less than that of typical bridge cameras, but that's due to its sizable 1-inch sensor, which delivers a big boost in image quality. This isn't just any old lens either, but rather a Leica optic with a large f/2.8 maximum aperture at the wide-angle end, which narrows to a still respectable f/4 at full zoom. This helps you capture shots in low light without resorting to high ISO sensitivities, while the hybrid 5-axis optical image stabilization minimizes camera shake. 4K Ultra HD strictly. 3840 into 2160 video recording. Number 4. Sony CyberShot RX10 III. As is often the case with Sony, you can make decent savings if you look towards its extensive back catalog. In this case, if you can live without the advanced AF system and other performance advantages offered by the RX10 IV, the RX10 III is still worth a look. The design is very much pretty and identical to the RX10 IV. And if you've got the same 24-600mm f/2.4-4 lens, what's the compromise? Well, the AF is a bit pedestrian compared to the latest model, while there's no touchscreen control or the ability to shoot at an impressive 24 FPS. Number 5. Canon PowerShot SX70HS. Canon's PowerShot SX70HS is what we'd consider a more conventional bridge camera than those found in the top 4. That's because it uses a smaller 1x2.3-inch sensor, which gives you the advantage of an enormous 65x optical zoom range. You still get full manual control along with other great features such as fully articulated screen. It lacks touch sensitivity though, a decent electronic viewfinder, and the ability to shoot in RAW format. Inbuilt Wi-Fi and NFC is another bonus.
Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.